Your sneakers looking like they can use a refresh? Don't toss it in the washer. Do this instead. In this video, we're going to show you how to deep clean your mesh or canvas sneakers. Start by removing the laces, followed by the insoles. Place the shoelaces in a container and soak using 1 part hydrogen peroxide and 1 part water. Next, fill a container that's big enough to fit your sneakers with some water. Then add about 1 tablespoon of mild laundry detergent. Next, add half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Place your insoles into the water and give it a quick swish to mix the solution. Let it soak for about 5 minutes, then use a brush to give the insoles a nice scrub. Now set it aside for rinsing. Next, place your sneakers into the water. Swirl it around a bit to let the soapy water saturate the entire sneaker. Let the sneakers soak for about 5 to 10 minutes. It's important not to soak too long or you risk putting too much wear on the adhesives. After soaking, take a firmer bristle brush to clean the midsoles. Slowly brush around the entire midsole, repeatedly dipping the brush into the soapy water. After working around the midsole, you can give the bottom of the outsole a quick brush. After cleaning the soles of the sneaker, take a softer bristle brush to clean the uppers of the sneaker. Gently scrub the mesh or canvas parts of the sneakers and gently work around the toe box. After scrubbing the entire sneaker, give the sneaker, the insoles, and laces a thorough rinse. After rinsing, you want to air dry the sneakers. We like to place sneakers on a hanger to dry, allowing excess water to drip off. Never place sneakers directly in the sun. You can hang or lay flat your insoles and laces to dry. Make sure the sneakers are fully dry before replacing the insole and laces. Look at that, nice and fresh. There you go, hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.